So hello everyone, welcome back to another class of NPSC Combined Technical General Studies. So last class we have completed up to lesson number 13. So this is lesson number 14 of NPSC Combined Technical General Studies. Let us start with the class, and I would like to also announce that there's mock test. So if you're interested in mock test, on Sunday, that is today, there's a mock test. So if you want to register, you can help yourself with your preparation by registering for the mock test. This will be very helpful for your NPSC general studies preparation, because 100 marks to general studies consider. So this is the mock test. You can register. Let us start with the class. First question: in recent years, which one of the following is the main source of demand in the Indian economy in descending order? So main source of income, main source of demand recently do in descending order. सबसे डोंगर बच्चुवा की है. So is it A, B, C, D? So source of demand दिखे तो like demand बेसी थकला. So demand बेसी तो क्या हो? That is private consumption first थको, because one middle class can बेसी consume करे. So the middle class consume very much as compared to the other demand. So private consumption, that is की kan jobs services होले or सामान kan होले की private consumption दो first थको. So private consumption is one. Is next to gross fixed capital formation. तो की kan, for example machinery kan di invest कर रहा है तो कि gross fixed capital formation को, because for example एक ता machine एक ता पैसा invest कर से. So तो machine बात भी काम करने दे दिके वापस दिके पैसा दिवो as capital. So this is the next the government consumption. Government बा consume करला, for example की kan healthcare, education, defense itu सब हो. And net export is the last. So option number C is the correct answer. Main source of demand the private consumption, gross fixed capital formation, government consumption, and net export. Option number C is the correct answer. Let us study in detail the chart of the case. So in recent years, Indian economy has seen demand driven by several key factors in following descending order. First, the private consumption. Private consumption is one middle class and significant amount of portion of the GDP though. This includes khalwa, kaprakan, and other essential. For example, you are a middle class, so the market is you buy vegetables, that is food. You buy clothes for wearing, that is from shirt, long pant like that, and other essentials like services kan kan. For example mobile recharge kan or banking kan, paisa withdrawal kan, itu सब तो private consumption को. Next the gross fixed capital formation. It is the investment in machinery, infrastructure and building. For example the एक rent बनाइसे, so you have invested rupees say 50 lakhs. So you have invested 50 lakhs in this building. So you have given rent, or every month you get rupees like 25,000 rent. So this shows that you invest you are getting in return. So the gross fixed capital formation next capital government consumption, healthcare, education, defense itu सब net export to मोना India wa ki export करे. For example rice, wheat, dal itu सब तो export करे. So this includes the source of demand. Demand money ki अलग country ma मांगे. So this is the answer. Let us go to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding the instruments of monetary policy. So monetary policy like instruments statement does it. So we will go through this. First statement: the central bank can increase the money supply by increasing the bank rate. Number 2, the central bank can increase the money supply by purchasing securities from the public, and the central bank can decrease the money supply by increasing the cash reserve ratio. So which of the following statement is correct? So first statement: the central bank can increase the money supply by increasing the bank rate. So bank rate increase question. Itu money is the first statement, the bank rate increase question. For example, you are a government job holder na, for example and you're applying for a loan in SBI. So SBI loan apply kurche, so SBI loan di itia kobi rate of interest to 12.3% ase at interest rate itu ase bank la loan. So for example bank rate increase kuriche, so tomorrow the SBI increases the interest rate to 14%. So 14% increase kurichile to manu customer kan babu gi paisa, because bank rate means interest rate bishi je mon loan gulu to bishi hoje guna, they will stop taking loan. So itu ki ase money supply to komti kore, because loan dibole tan ki koi refuse means bank kan tange your neglect customer kange tange encourage no kore to take loan. So this is wrong, one the wrong as a statement, that is bank rate increase kore the money supply increase na it will be decrease. So one is wrong, so itu wrong as a. Next, number 2, the central bank increase the money supply by purchasing securities from the public. So itu ki ase, for example RBI ba money supply increase kore Reserve Bank of India ba tai State Bank of India ba tai security kinishe, to tai kita security kinubo RBI ba ki in return money dibo, paisa dibo to itu kinole. So itu paisa to SBI ba loan dibole paribo, so money supply to increase kore. So 2 is correct, so 2 is correct. Next, the central bank can decrease the money supply by increasing the cash reserve ratio. So cash reserve ratio to ke jogle to bank kan nijore rakhibole. So example SBI kan ekta cash reserve ratio ta nijor la bank te rakhe. So kita cash reserve ratio to uthao means poila to rupees 50 crore rakhe dekhi tan, to tan cash reserve ratio na ito to 70 crore ta na hati rakhe. It means ki ase paisa to SBI lo dili ase, aru to paisa to loan dibo na boro, to paisa to they cannot use this for loaning. So it makes the money supply decrease, so it will be correct ase. So 2 and 3 is correct, so the answer is option number B, that is this one. Next question number 3, which of the following statements is not correct regarding the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? So Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana di kaise, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana do loan de to small and micro industries, mudra to mudra bhi koita micro unit development refinance agency made micro unit development refinance agency mudra do. So itu mudra ba tai not correct question statement. It was launched in 2015, correct ase. It grants loan up to 15 lakhs for income generating manufacturing, trading and servicing sector. So up to 15 lakhs na mudra do type take tinta category. First to rupees 50,000 ase, next to 50,000 ase, aro up to 10 lakhs ase. So itu be the wrong ase. Under the scheme only the term loan requirement can be made and not the working capital requirement, correct. There is no insistence on the collateral for the sanction loan, correct. So option number B is the correct answer. That is, let us study in detail itu case. So Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana do mudra bhi hua April 2015 de launch hoise, aru do Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana de tinta ase, that is Shishu up to rupees 50,000, Kishore up to 50,000 and 5 lakh limit to cause, and Tarun to up to 10 lakhs. So this is the answer. Let us, and itu case both term loan terms and working capital under including loans under the cash credit or overdraft facility to provide credit. Basically case hole to mudra yojana do small or medium industry kane takan paisa loan dibo at very cheap interest. So this is the answer. Next question. And there's one current affairs I would like to emphasize. Itu Tarun do up to 10 lakhs age. Aro recently 2025 data one increase koise Tarun plus kona. So Tarun plus to 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs ase. So limit is 20 lakhs, not 15 lakhs. Okay. So itu this is up to 15 lakhs, it will be up to 20 lakhs. It was a Tarun plus charta category. So this is the answer. Next question. Which of the following is a part of the capital receipt of the government of India? So number 1, this investment receipt, interest receive small savings and net market borrowing. So what is the answer? So capital receipt to kya jukli do idu paisa ala government ge na aradu means equal tiki idu government ki effect nokrala. For example, kobi that is capital receipt for example koi ki government of India la PSQ ONGC the idu government la company ase. So government yete stake ase, that is tai la more than 50% 55% stake ase government la bujije. So suppose government to tai budget expenditure korne paisa olop komti punjije and they need to make some money. So idu ONGC batan idu stake to sell grow, that is around rupees 2 lakh crore nisna means alak private kange bigir kuru aru paisa to ki kuru means idu budget te takan idu dalibo paisa to. So ki kore je takan idu ONGC la share do 0.5% share do takan managi bigir kore je. So idu ange capital receipt ko, that is which creates a liability or reduces financial asset of the government. So capital receipt is a disinvestment receipt. Disinvestment idu agide ko anisa ONGC kange bigir korna idu paisa ala idu disinvestment bi koi. Next to interest receipt. Interest receipt to for example the Indian government gamba for example Sri Lanka ke loan dije aro loan de interest agena dije to idu interest wapas ala idu interest receipt koi. Next to small saving and net market borrowing. So which of the following is correct? Interest receipt to noi because interest receipt to iku government ke effect nokore tan ki loan dishi tula paisa wapas ai interest receipt to. So these are not capital receipt, these are revenue receipt koi. So the answer is 2 will not be there. So 2 idu cancel aro 1 3 4 will be there. So the answer is option number D, that is 1 3 and 4. I hope you have understood. Let us study in detail itu case. First, capital receipts are those receipts of the government that create liability or reduce financial asset. Means government la paisa la nijor la pocket pa paisa olai jay or ekta liability create ho jay. Itu ke capital receipt pe. That is case money earned by selling asset such as shares of public enterprises. Moi agide ko anisa ONGC la ekta share 0.5% share do money bigger kurise at rupees 2 lakh crore. So government la share do komdi hoye je paisa generate kule. So idike capital receipt mane. This investment receipt correct ase. Interest receipt to idu ke jugule to paisa loan dina idu interest palai degi interest receipt ko aru iduge idu not under capital receipt but revenue receipt under there. So next to small saving do idu government ke liability create kore. For example post office te tu paisa save kore je aru idu interest rate to kubi 7% de interest rate de je there post office de. So you are investing rupees 1 lakh, so 1 lakh invest kore je. So 1 lakh invest kore je 7% interest every year due. So 7% interest to rupees 7,000 odo, it means 1 lakh 7,000 do ipo. So idu 7,000 to government is paying you the interest, so it is creating a liability on the government to pay the interest to the customer. So the small saving we net market borrowing do means alak market to borrow kora idu kita mon paisa borrow kore, it creates a liability on the government. So the borrowing. So this is correct. Next question and the last question. Which one of the following statement is with regard to Indian Maritime Initiative Sagar is correct? Sagar to ke je? Sagar, first of all, Sagar la full form ke je? Sagar stands for security and growth, GRO, the growth for all in the region. Idu Indian Ocean de government bamba ki koi maritime security dibole idu Sagar project to initiate kore. So which of the following statement is correct? It is a platform for conducting naval exercises under Quad. No, Quad under the Kunai. It aimed at providing maritime cooperation with countries in the Indian Ocean region. Correct. Option number B is the correct answer. It was. So question will come, what is Sagar? So what is the full form of Sagar? For example, question is security and growth for all in the region as a Sagar. Or Hindi de Sagar do ocean ki koi. So this is the answer. So I would like to conclude my video here, and if you're interested in mock test, the link is provided here. Today is the first mock test, so those who want to register, you can register and help yourself with your NPSC preparation. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you all the best for your exam. Thank you.